When Pontiac introduced the Firebird in 1967, it wasn't just another muscle car. It was Pontiac's answer to the horsepower wars of the late 60s. Sharing the F-body platform with the Chevy Camaro, Pontiac brought its own personality, sleek styling, and a wide track stance. The first generation ran from 1967 to 1969, and it set the tone. Split grills, long hoods, and options ranging from the economic 6-cylinder to the big block V8 that could hold their own at the drag strip. By 1970, Pontiac unveiled the second generation of the Firebird, more aerodynamic and looked years ahead of its time. The Formula trim, slotted between the base Firebird and the amazing Trans Am, offered serious performance without all the flash. This 72 Formula is Pontiac's vision during that era. The Formula hood, enduro nose, and bold stance made it instantly recognizable, even as Pontiac battled through a changing automotive landscape of rising insurance rates and new emission regulations. Inside the Firebird delivered both sport and style. Bucket seats, a driver-focused dash, and available luxury touches reminded buyers this wasn't just a bare-bones street brawler. Under the hood, Pontiac offered everything from inline sixes to the legendary 455 V8. This example takes things further, with a Corvette-sourced LS1 V8 bringing modern horsepower to classic Pontiac muscle. The Firebird became a culture icon through the 70s, cemented by appearances in movies, on posters, and by enthusiasts who loved its performance and design. From its induction in 1967 to this striking 1972 Formula, the Firebird remains one of Pontiac's most striking creations, and today still turns heads. Let's take you all around this 72 Formula. It is beautiful. You can just see all through the paint is in really, really good shape. It shows so well, especially out here in the sun. It's got all of the Euro. I mean, the Formula is just awesome. What I also like about this is you've got your bare brakes. You've got the big bare brake setup, US mags. You got new tires on the front here. Let's see, we are looking at a 245 4518. You got great tread on that. And again, overall paint is really, really good, shows really well. This is off just a little bit. You can probably bring this in just a little bit more to have it a little bit more snug, but you can tell overall the body work itself is really good shape. This is just going to be off a little bit just because you need to bring that in. Now coming back in through here, I mean, you got all metal and you can see paint shows really, really well. And how about that sound? That sound is just amazing. You've got your spoiler, again, big bare brakes all the way around. Here on the rear, you got a little bit of a staggered setup, 255, 45, 18. Again, bare brakes, and then you got your US mags, and those are all in good shape all the way around. Maybe just a little bit of kind of staining from something that was on there, but shows really, really well. And again, going all through your body, you can see this fitment right here is in really, really good shape as well. And then getting into your front wheel, again, big bare brakes. Let's show you the heart of this. So you've got your snorkel hood, and then under here, yes, LS1, aluminum radiator, AC. This thing is going out. Power steering, power brakes, all of the good stuff with this one. Electric fans, sounds so, so good. That is for sure with that. And if you love the LS1, you know, of course, 4L60E, it's got that. Now let's take you in just to show you what was done with the interior, because I love the setup that it has with this little black and with the blue stitching. It shows really, really well. Door panels are in good shape. Now it does have a little snag here that you can see, but they did the perforated inserts with the blue stitching, and then in the back as well with that. You can see very, very good shape, and it's got an awesome JL sound system that sounds really, really good. And I'm going to show you what they did in the trunk with that one as well. You do have tilt wheel on here. You got your CB Pioneer radio, vintage air controls, all the good stuff. And then you do have power windows. Those are tinted up and down like they should. Now, you have digital gauges as well. Again, that door just needs to come in a little bit. We like to go through these vehicles to show you exactly what they are inside and out, and even the undercarriage, which we'll go through right after I'm showing you everything with this. But if you look here in the trunk, everything was done. They did a great job. Body work is amazing on this. Trunk pan's in great shape. JL for your speaker here, and then also in your kick panels and in the rear deck. So it just sounds great. It looks great. You can take this out to the car show. Really, really enjoy it. This one I know is not gonna last. It's just too good a shape. It's got the formula, it's got the LS1, it's got the bare brakes, and the interior. I mean, hey, with a great sound system, this thing is ready to go. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go right in and let's just show you the full undercarriage. All right guys, we are getting under this Resto Mod Firebird. We have your big brake bare setup. We have sway bars in the front, LS1, 4L60E. We have dual exhaust going into Flowmaster, 10-bolt rear end. This thing is just set up the right way. Again, fuel ejection, bare brake setup, and that's the big kit all the way around. As you guys saw, this thing is just awesome. It runs great, it looks great, and it is ready to go. ClassicCarAddict.com.